This is how you fill your All Paws Pet Wash vending machine. First you take your tumbler key, put it in here, turn the top, turn the bottom. Now if you come inside here, you have these trays, which they're all inactive right now. Flip the trays up, they'll lock into place. And you take your All Paws Pet Wash treats, give them a little shake. And then if you're not vending additional treats, there's a tab underneath here to depress these. Push these down. And if a tab is up, it will vend, but it won't vend a treat if there's not one in there. And if your vending machine is empty, you'll have a sign on there that says, on the Nayax, that says, out of stock. And then when you're finished, turn your key, press in. And now you've filled your All Paws Pet Wash treat vending machine.